So farmers dating app, FarmersD. So here's interesting app. If you're interested in dating in this niche, for people who are into the countryside life, this is one of the top apps. Swipe, match, and chat, and then you can just find people here. If Tinder is not working for you or is not what you're looking for, this is the app you can try. This app only for single farmers, country singles, rural singles, cowboys, cowgirls, ranchers, horse lovers, rural singles, and country folk to find real love and lasting relationships. Even if you come from a city, it doesn't matter. You can find like-minded people on FarmersD and enjoy rural life together. Connect on Instagram to see more photos and chat with real people with verified photos. Swipe right to like if two people mutually opt in to connect with each other by swiping right. It's a match. From all regions in Detroit, Michigan, Portland, Oregon, Austin, Texas, Boston, Massachusetts, Cleveland, Ohio, Chicago, Illinois, Seattle, Washington. So yeah, all those things like that. And then you can allow it. And then here you can just sign in. And then it's interesting onboarding. Here it's like a chat. Oh, so I never seen it before. Something like that. It's pretty cool. And then you just adding it here, and that's like the onboarding. And then upload good photos of you. So for example, here you can just take some photos. Let's just, for example, all right, so here's the photo. You can just choose it. And then you just need also to verify yourself. So here it is, like I'm just showing you out. And then finally you're inside of the app, and then you can just swipe left to pass, swipe right to like someone. And then there it is, that's the app. Here you have it, and then you have your chats and filters. So it's kind of like mini version of Tinder, but of course there's like just this type of people here. And it's not only in US. So this is the app which is seems it has some nice popularity around the world. So it's not only but still there are more people here in the in the US than other parts. And then you can just go and delete your account if you're not interested. So there it is.